Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Z-Lake. If you want to do this, it's really easy. Just follow this step-by-step guide I have made for you guys. Here, log into your account, which you can do it in the application. Then check your balance, ensure that your account has a minimum balance of $20 as this is typically required to initiate a withdrawal. Check on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the settings option. In the settings menu, look for the wallet section where your balance is displayed. If you have a sufficient fund, you should see a cash out option next to your balance. Click on it. This will prompt a verification process for your withdrawal. Choose your preferred method for your receiving funds, example, bank transfer or PayPal. You may need to link this method if you haven't done so already. Specify how much money you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets a minimum requirement. And receive your withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the funds to be proceed or processed and transferred to your selected method. So by following all these methods, you will be able to transfer, withdraw money from Zilliq. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.